SCBA, or self-contained breathing apparatus, is a crucial piece of equipment for anyone working on ships. It allows seafarers to breathe safely in environments filled with smoke, toxic gases, or low oxygen levels. Understanding SCBA is essential for maritime professionals, as it can be the difference between life and death in emergency situations. Let's dive into what SCBA actually consists of. At its core, an SCBA system includes a high-pressure cylinder filled with breathable air, a pressure regulator, a facepiece, and an air supply hose. The cylinder is typically made from lightweight materials like carbon fiber or aluminum, which makes it easier to carry and maneuver in tight spaces. The facepiece is designed to create a tight seal around the face, ensuring that no harmful air can enter while you're using it. Now, let's talk about the materials used in SCBA. The outer shell of the cylinder is often constructed from composite materials that are both durable and lightweight. The hoses and regulators are made from high-quality rubber and plastics that can withstand extreme temperatures and pressures. This durability is vital, as SCBA gear must perform reliably in the harsh conditions often found at sea. The benefits of SCBA for seafarers cannot be overstated. First and foremost, it provides a safe breathing environment during firefighting or rescue operations. It allows crew members to navigate through smoke-filled areas and carry out their duties without the immediate risk of inhaling harmful substances. Additionally, SCBA can enhance overall crew confidence, knowing they have the right equipment to handle emergencies effectively. When it comes to regulations, the International Maritime Organization, IMO, and the Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS standards set clear guidelines for the use of SCBA on vessels. These regulations mandate that ships must carry SCBA equipment and ensure that crew members are trained in its use. Compliance with these standards not only enhances safety, but also protects the vessel and its crew from potential legal repercussions. Maintaining and inspecting SCBA is critical for ensuring its reliability. Regular checks should include inspecting the cylinder for any signs of damage or corrosion, testing the pressure gauge, and ensuring that the facepiece fits properly. It's also essential to replace air cylinders before they expire and to conduct routine training drills to keep skills sharp. By understanding SCBA, its components, and the regulations surrounding it, maritime professionals can significantly enhance their safety and preparedness on board.